What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. This is part 2 of the amp and the subwoofer installation. In this video we're gonna arrange all the wires and clean the trunk because I have a big mess on the trunk, so let's do it. Alright guys, this is the mess I have. I have everything all mixed and all the wires. So today we're gonna clean all that, hide the subwoofers and put the new cables. I have a new set of cables, so let's open the new cables. So these are the new ones I got because the older ones I have and they're not good. The cable, it was too thin, so this one is 4 gauge cable. So I'm gonna put the link of everything, this cable, my subwoofer, the amp, everything is gonna be on the description of the video if you wanna get this. All right, so let's continue with this. All right, so this one is better quality. You can see it here, more thick. This is the one I want now. So this is the one we're gonna install today. This and this, because I already have the remote and the wires for the speakers. So I'm gonna replace the RCA, this one and this one. So let's do it. Alright, remember, first thing, disconnect the negative connection for the battery, alright, before you do anything. Alright, so the next thing is, I'm gonna remove this wire and connect the right one, the 4 gauge. Alright, I already removed the red cable, positive cable, so I'm gonna move this one out of the way. Alright, the subwoofer. Alright guys, I have the cable. It was a pain in the butt. It was super hard because I tried it in that area and I couldn't do it. So I made a hole over there. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, so I made a new hole and you can see the hole there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. Right there. So it has like a foam protection and the foam already has a hole, so you have to remove that piece of foam, this one. Let me show you. You only have to remove this piece of foam and the place is ready to make the hole. But to make the hole it was super hard because I had to use the Dremel, the rotary tool, and then the drill, but I used like 20 different sizes. The small one first and the thicker, little by little. I used like 5 drill bits, different drill bits to make the hole. It was a little bit hard. What I mean, it was very hard. That's the area I was trying to put the cable through that plastic, but the cable is very thick. It doesn't fit through there. So that's why I made a new hole. But I'm gonna put a silicone in that area so that the water won't go through the hole. All right, so let's continue with the next step. Alright, first one is ready. So now I'm gonna cover this one. So let's continue with the other two amps. Alright, finally they're already here. It was super hard. And in this Rockford amp, I don't know why they made the holes like this. You need to have like a drill, the screwdriver thing, long. Mine is not that long, so it was hard to reach all the way inside here. But now I got it, all the 4 screws there. But this one I only have 3 screws. On the bottom it doesn't have. And already connected the positive cable. And the ground, this one, I'm gonna connect it in here. I think this one better. With this one. With this hole like that. Alright, I'm gonna sand it and connect it over there. But the hardest part is finished. After I connected that one, I'm gonna use this one for the subwoofer, and it's gonna be ready. Finally. So let's finish this thing. Alright, the hardest part is finished. Now everything is ready, all the connections. Now I need to put the carpet back and connect this up to the wire, the cable. Right? If you wanna know how I did all this wiring and connections, check the video that I did before this one. I'm gonna put the link over there and on the description of the video. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the carpet here back and connect the subwoofer and do the connection on the battery. All right. Now you can see it. Everything nice and clean. All the wires right there. No more mess. You can see it. So only the box is there. Super clean, yes. Okay guys, those are the 4-gauge wires, and my trunk is now nice and clean. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. Please, if you like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.